Welcome back to our channel, FASTCABLING. So are you a small or medium-sized business owner looking to enhance your security measures? In today's video, we're diving into the world of SMB IP Surveillance made simple with Passive Fiber Optical Network, PON. And imagine a surveillance system that not only provides robust security, but is also scalable, cost-effective, and future-proof. So in the realm of SMB, the significance of IP surveillance is paramount for ensuring security and operational efficiency. So introducing a game changer, the utilization of Passive Fiber Optical Network, PON. It elevates surveillance seamlessly. PON provides advantages such as enhanced bandwidth and scalability, aligning perfectly with the unique surveillance needs of SMBs. And these businesses require reliable and cost-effective solutions that not only safeguard their premises, but also contribute to streamlined operations. And as technology evolves, SMBs can embrace efficient IP surveillance solutions powered by PON and addressing their specific needs with reliability and affordability at the forefront. So Passive Fiber Optical Network stands as a transformative solution in the world of data transmission, defined by its architecture. PON operates by utilizing a passive optical splitter to share and distribute signals across multiple end users. And the passive nature of PON, marked by the absence of active electronic components in the distribution network, contribute to its efficiency in data transmission. And this innovation optimizes bandwidth, enabling seamless communication across various users while maintaining a cost-effective and reliable network infrastructure. So PON's ability is to balance efficiency with simplicity, makes it a powerful and appealing solution for meeting the increasing demand of modern connectivity. So implementing PON in SMB IP surveillance brings benefits tailored to the unique needs of this enterprise. PON's scalability stands out, accommodating the growth of surveillance systems seamlessly, and the cost-effectiveness inherent in PON ensure that SMB can deploy advanced surveillance solutions without breaking the bank. Moreover, PON provides high bandwidth, facilitating the smooth and efficient transmission of surveillance data. And this combination of scalability, cost-effectiveness, and ample bandwidth makes PON an ideal choice for SMB looking to enhance their IP surveillance capability while maintaining an efficient and budget-friendly network infrastructure. So setting up SMB IP surveillance with PON requires careful consideration of essential components to ensure a reliable and efficient system. And the choice of high-quality IP cameras is crucial, taking into account factors such as resolution, field of view, and suitability for a different environment. Today we're going to connect to a PTZ camera and a 5-megapixel bullet camera. And then an NVR, the network video recorder, compatible with PON is essential for storing and managing video footage, requiring sufficient storage capacity and support for a planned number of cameras. And PON-specific equipment includes the optical line terminal, the OLT, placing over here. It serves as the central hub managing data traffic. And the optical network unit, the ONU, which is located at the customer premises, connecting cameras to the PON. And the inclusive of fiber splitter facilitate the signal distribution without external power sources. Finally, the deployment of high-quality optical fiber cabling meeting data transmission standard can ensure a robust PON infrastructure. And implementing SMB IP surveillance with PON involves a systematic step-by-step approach for optimal results. And in the planning phase, businesses should assess civilian needs, determine camera location, and calculate bandwidth requirement. The passive fiber optical network setup requires choosing the right PON technology and installing PON equipment and ensuring network security. And during the IP surveillance system integration, selecting compatible camera and NVR, configuring cameras on the network, and then integrating with surveillance software are the crucial steps. And the final phase involves testing and optimization, including conducting network tests, optimizing camera placement, and ensuring a smooth data flow. So without saying, now we're going to do the connection together step by step. So as you can see, we have the network video recorder already connected to the HDMI cable and to the monitor. We have a WebSmart PoE switch and it's already connected to the NVR. You can also connect to different devices using the WebSmart PoE switch. Next, I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect our switch to the OLT. This is our one-port GPON OLT. It serves as a starting point of a PON network to manage the optical signal sent to and from the ONU, and it supports data rates of up to 1.25G upstream and 2.5G downstream with a backplane bandwidth of 16 gigabit per second and feature data transmission up to a distance of 20 kilometers. And it can also connect up to 128 ONU while maintaining high speed and reliability in routing and management. Next, I'm going to connect the PON port using our fiber optic cable. It is already plugged in. Just like this. Today we're using a 2-string fiber optic cable. And coming to our distribution box, I'm going to use a fiber patch cord to connect the distribution box to our PON splitter. This is from the 2-string fiber optic cable. Let's plug it in here. And then I'm going to use another fiber optic cable to connect the PON port coming out to our ONU. Plug it in here. Since today we're connecting 2 devices, so I'm just going ahead to plug in 2 short patch cords. One connected to the PDZ camera and the other one connected to a bullet camera, and they're already powered up. Everything is powered up over this side. So now you can look at the monitor and see the video footage is already displaying on the monitor. And I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is absolutely a live video. So the whole connection is done. So future-proofing your SMB surveillance system with passive fiber optical network involves addressing scalability and adaptability. PON, as a passive and flexible technology, ensures future scalability by easily accommodating additional cameras or expanding the civilian network without major infrastructure change. And its adaptability to emerging technologies and advancement in the civilian industry enables small and medium-sized businesses to stay ahead. So by embracing PON, SMB can now build a civilian system that not only meets their current needs, but is also ready for the future, providing a robust and future-proof solution for evolving security requirements. And whether you're looking to implement an advanced SMB IP surveillance system with PON or seeking other innovative solution, our platform is your go-to resources for seamless integration and expert guidance. So you can visit our website today to elevate your surveillance capabilities and stay ahead in the ever-evolving technology landscape. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. I'll see you in the next video.